Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nick Muhammad Afiq Daniel. My group will present about our mini project for electronic instrument, which is Mac Trainer using ESP32. Okay, introduction. Mac Trainer. If someone who doesn't know what a Mac Trainer is, they may assume that a Mac Trainer is like a calculator. Is it true? A Mac Trainer is like a calculator, but what does the Mac Trainer means? The Mac Trainer that will be created in an electronic project that is a hybrid project that use software and also hardware. It will be controlled by a smartphone to insert the number for addition and subtraction operation. User will use ping pong balls to calculate the solution that have been inserted on smartphone. This project is a kind of electronic project that helps students who are weak in mathematics subject, especially in addition and subtraction operation. By creating this project, it may make it easy for students who are weak in addition and subtraction to understand it in an easy way and fun way for them. Okay, problem statement. The existing teaching tools are not interactive. In addition, the method used by teacher to teach is also less interesting because it does not involve psychomotor. With the presence of Math Trainer, students will be more interested in learning addition and subtraction because they learn with more fun than before. Next is objective. To design an interactive Math Trainer system for preschool and kindergarten students. And the next one is to create a new teaching aids for mathematics focusing on addition and subtraction using ESP32. Scope of project. The main scope of the project is focusing on preschool and kindergarten students. This project uses ESP32. This project is proposed to be placed in every class in a kindergarten and preschool to help the process of teaching mathematics easier. The process will help students to improve addition and subtraction operation. This project is designed with interactive method to attract students at the same time students can gain their psychomotor. Okay, that's all introduction for this project. I will pass this presentation to the next person.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Hafizuddin Musni. My number metric is 212020737. Now I'm going to talk about methodology, chapter 2. So the first is introduction of methodology. Data analysis will be done in this chapter in a structured order. Technical analysis will be performed and used for analysis and development research. The project flow that has been completed and will be completed is also described in this chapter. So the next is project methodology. There will be flowchart and block diagram under project methodology. So the first one is flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that shows a process individual steps in their proper order. It is a general tool that can be used to describe a variety of processes, including a manufacturing process, an administrative or service process, or a project plan. So on my right, there's a flowchart. So the first is start, and the input is insert the ping pong balls into the path of hundreds, 10 and ones according to the question that has been given. The next is process is press next on a phone. Next is choose addition or subtraction, and then the input insert the ping pong balls based on the text number to complete the operation. Then count the number of ping pong balls on the path, and then enter the calculated value into smartphone, and then the condition, if answers entered is correct, then go to yes, means and if not, goes to no. It will repeat to the enter the calculated value into smartphone. So the next is the block diagram itself. A block diagram is a system's representation of its main components or function through the use of blocks connected by lines that reveal the connections between the blocks. They are widely used in engineering for process flow diagram, hardware design, electronic design, and software design. In this block diagram, there are 4 inputs, 1 process, and 2 outputs that are needed to make sure that this project is successful. The input is keypad on smartphone sensor. On my left, keypad on smartphone, and next is the first IR sensor, then IR sensor 2 and IR sensor 3. So the process or the brain of this project is we use ESP32 for this project. and the outputs is the project is display on the smartphone and a buzzer we use. So that's all from me. I will pass it to the next person.
Okay, my name is Wan Adam Iqbal bin Wan Nasruddin Azam. My metric number is 202120 So for software development, we use Arduino IDE. It's a user-friendly software that help you create and program electronic project using Arduino microcontroller. It provides a simple platform with a code editor and library, making it easy to write, upload and run code on your Arduino board. Whether you want to build a robot, a weather station or any other electronic gadget, Arduino IDE simplify the process, making it accessible for beginners and experienced makers alike. Second, ESP32 web server. ESP32 web server is like a smart tool that use Wi-Fi to create a little website for your project. You can use it to control things and see data on your phone or computer. It's handy for making gadgets that you can talk to through the internet. Okay, next for hardware development, we use ESP32. Second, buzzer. Third is IR sensor. ESP32 processor is flexible and low power device that can operate independently or as a slave device to another microcontroller. Buzzer is a mechanical, electromechanical, or piezoelectric audio signaling device. Next, IR sensor is a motion detector which are used in building service to turn on light or in alarm system to detect unwanted visitor. Increasingly frequently incorporate IR sensor. For summary of the chapter 2, this chapter has covered the project method in great detail. Several flowcharts are used to illustrate the project workflow and explain the steps that the project takes. The hardware in use is displayed in full detail. Type of microcontroller boards and hardware configuration are displayed. In addition, the appropriate software for this coding project has already been specified. Next, I will pass to the next person.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Muhaimin bin Muhammad Azman and my metric number is 212020749. So today I will continue my friend's presentation about chapter 3. So result and discussion. So on this topic, this chapter will explain the result obtained from the project, and each of the result are get from the hardware and software that used in this Math Channel project that controlled by the ESP32. This project needs many filtering and some of the tested work is successful due to the help and guidance of supervisor. Um, okay, on the right is the final circuit result. So you can see how the circuit will look like. So uh, on 3.2.1, this is design one result which user can see on the ESP32 web server. So the number 192.168.43.172 is the IP address that given in the Arduino IDE. So you can see there is some of the example that I try. So on 3.2.2, that is my testing result, and you can see the calculated ping-pong balls is accurate to the ESP32 web server. So this is the Harvard result, some of picture that I take. So project costing I compare with the previous project that similar to my project. So my project is more cheaper than previous project, which my project is only 120 ringgit, and the previous project is 350 ringgit, which my project is 100% more cheaper than previous project. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulmanuddin Al-Hakim bin Muhammad Shah and my metric number 212020693. And I will present for the chapter 4, which is conclusion. To sum up this project, the goal of the math trainer with ESP32 is to make addition and subtraction operation easier for kindergarten and preschool students to learn. With the help of this project, students will be encouraged to enjoy the study of mathematics. The project is said to be fun because kindergarten and preschool students learn addition and subtraction operation without using exercise book, where this math trainer is another alternative to their exercise books. And for the future work, the investigation carried out in this project has led this work will lead to many exciting avenues of research in the future. This project can be further developed with the addition of IR sensor to count larger numbers or can count larger numbers by using only one sensor. This project is also expected to be in all kindergartens in preschool in Malaysia before 2030. This project may also not need to use Wi-Fi anymore to connect the smartphone to the ESP32. Maybe it can be improved by using Bluetooth, which can overcome the problem if there is no internet in the area. For the impact on environment and sustainability, the environmental impact and sustainability of a math trainer project utilizing an ESP32 as its core IR sensor to detect ping pong balls and a buzzer for counting notification can be evaluated on several fronts. First, optimizing energy efficiency is key to reducing environmental impact and promoting responsible resource consumption. The ESP32 low power capabilities combined with efficient coding can minimize power consumption. Choosing energy efficient components and power sources as well as promoting responsible user behavior can further enhance the project's eco-friendliness. Second, considering the life cycle of the component from material extraction to manufacturing and disposal is vital for sustainability. Using eco-friendly materials and designing for durability can reduce waste and the need for replacement. Proper disposal of electronic components and batteries, as well as sustainable packaging practices, can further mit- mitigate environmental impact. Furthermore, by incorporating the project into educational context, it can also contribute to quality education's goal. The math trainer can serve as a valuable tool to raise awareness about sustainability and promote responsible consumption. It can help students and learners understand the environmental implication of technology choices, fostering a deeper appreciation for sustainability. By focusing on energy efficiency, material choices, and education, this math trainer project not only benefits the environment but also support the goal of providing quality education in a holistic sense. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.